I picked it.
I got it. You can grab the garbage. Help him with the garbage. Pick up your bracelet.
He's like, I don't want to do garbage. I want to do video.
He always wants to do that.
What'd you do with your bracelet? Don't tell me you threw it in the garbage. Oh.
I hope so.
Here. Don't get your fingers in the way. Your fingers are in the way.
What'd you get?
What is it?
Snowman gummies.
Oh.
Don't show it
Hide
this
all
way.
that candy from Uncle
Let me see
Dennis
it.
when he comes
I want to see
over
it. Joseph, can you show it to me, please?
I already did.
Yeah, but I want to get a picture. Here, let me hold this. I'm going to try to get pictures.
here. Oh my God, you're gonna take a picture of every single thing.
Go ahead.
It's
Hey.
a ramp.
Hold it.
Fingers. Garbage can's right there, Joseph.
No.
There are two for that.
The garbage is right here.
What is that? What is that? Get off!
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. Next picture. I mean, next thingy.
Not dating.
We can sit there frozen? Come on, next thing.
Showing it.
I said go to the next one.
Your phone.
Okay, good.
I said your wrap.
No.
The first rip, I already knew what it was.
What?
The sweetest fish.
Sweetest fish. He almost ate all his. Fingers.
Good hiding
And
spot
it
for all
is.
that.
Yeah, you gotta hide that candy.
Yeah, from you.
No,
I
from
have
Uncle
that.
James. Coming over
Both of
today.
you.
I don't like Swedish fish.
I have.
Not you. Both.
Oh.
I ain't gonna eat it.
I did eat it.
Oh, yeah.
You notice I ain't brought no sweetest fish lately or gummy bears?
So that what is that?
What the heck?
What is that? So that what is that? That?
The ice cream cone.
I
It's
know.
a squeezy.
I know.
I paid that.
It's flat.
You asked for what it does when you squeeze it goes back to life.
I know. I've seen these before.
I thought you kind of like those.
You're funny.
I'd rather another one too.
Mhm.
What's the difference?
Mhm.
SpongeBob house.
Papa.
SpongeBob. Here, let me.
SpongeBob house though.
Cool.
Pineapple.
No, because you're not sitting still.
No.
We're not gonna argue over the camera. Move your fingers.
Piece of cake or something? Or a pie?
I see Daddy again.
Yeah, Jack's got the pie. You have the slice of cake.
No, eat it.
Oh, we got a really small one. Who taped this? Really?
Yes, I did. Better be glad your dad didn't do it.
He would have.
Yeah, he woulda.
I do that.
Stop. If you're gonna film, you gotta sit still.
What are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing?
Poop. What is that? Mommy, I fit it. Fit it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Fit it. Again?
No, just not a lot.
It's sticky too.
Yeah, it's cool.
Fit it now.
Yeah.
Put that one right there though. Not very sticky kind of. You got a lot in here.
I know, I was kind of shocked those bags were able to hold it.
I haven't.
Here, let me hold it.
You hold it, okay?
Okay.
What is that?
I just opened it, Jack.
it.
The heck?
No, we're not gonna do ball in the
What's
camera.
Candle? It's a little squishy candle.
You know what that is?
What?
Let me see. I love that. It's a square thing. It's like sugar cube. I love this. Feel that, Jax?
I love this.
Yeah, that is. I like how that feels.
Come on, maybe this first. Okay.
I like how that feels. Isn't that cool? You like that? Aww. I got a picture of that.
Oh. Not that fast.
Thank you. What it does. Oh. Another ball.
You and Jax got like 3 of them.
Also the same thing, but like green.
Yeah, but you guys got like 3 balls. No, you got your own, Jax.
You can squeeze it though if you want to. Squeeze it.
You'll feed it.
Yeah, I like how those feel.
I like
Bring
it.
this out.
I like it.
You're crazy.
There's like 3 more.
Wait, more?
Yep. 3 more.
Again. They're real messy.
No, it's not.
He just woke up out of bed. That's why.
Are messy. They're the hell messy.
Mm-hmm.
That's all messy. Bah! Shut up, butthead.
What you mean? You are.
So you got all 3 of those?
No, don't tell me what's another one.
What did you open up? How many balls you got over there?
3 now. After this one.
Yeah.
Read it.
That's all 3.
Read it.
Only 3. So it's the same. No.
Read
Oh, there's
it.
3 more. Yeah.
Read it.
No, Jax. No.
Read
Hey,
It's
can
the
you
same thing as the other one.
hold on? Stop arguing. Can you pour me a half cup of coffee, please? I think my coffee's on the counter there.
Can you do the same for me, please?
Oh, what's that?
A ball.
Ball again.
I thought you guys got 3.
Got,
The same color as the other one I just opened.
got 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's the same color.
I was gonna pour me some.
I did.
Oh, you did?
There's one more.
Gotta add
That's the
stuff
one I
to it.
colored, by the way, too. So.
Well, yeah.
Will I get another one of these tomorrow?
No.
Those ones up there. There's this one too. Maybe it's a French fry or.
No, I think that's popcorn. It is. That's popcorn. Let me see.
It was yellow.
You
Popcorn's
see
white.
2? You see 2?
Maybe it's popcorn.
I'm not pop.
Popcorn's not yellow.
Are you?
Well, I don't know. French fry, maybe? Is
French fries are not yellow, Jax.
that it?
French fries are yellow, but popcorn's not yellow.
Hey, is that everything?
Yeah.
Okay.